What's up, YouTube? Okay, so today we went out to the junkyard and we managed to get us a new speaker cover for the one CJ destroyed for stick shift blazer over there. And when we replaced the windshield and stick shift blazer, I also broke this piece. This is the top piece that comes up here. It's a bitch to get this piece out without breaking. And actually this one in the junkyard kind of broke a little bit. But once everything goes on, I didn't even know it was broken until after I pulled it out. I'm halfway out, I noticed that piece was broken. So that, and then CJ crushed this other speaker cover with his hand. Put his hand right on it. So we're going to go inside, we're going to wash these pieces up, make them look all fancy, and then we're going to get them installed on stick shift blazer, and then hopefully get stick shift blazer up for sale. As you can see now, that piece is already missing and the other piece is missing, and I got her all cleaned up. She's looking real good inside. I got to vacuum the carpet one more time because all this gravel from every time you get in kind of gets in the way. But other than that, she's really cool. I'm going to miss her when I sell her, but can't drive her because of my bad knee. She's got a stage 3 racing clutch in her. It's a lot of fun, but she's one of those. I could build another. We have lifted blazer right there we're going to play with. And maybe when the tranny goes out in that one, then we'll put another manual in it. Be a lot of fun. Because it helps to open the cap. Look at that. Nice and clean, good as new. Let's go see if we can fix that end. A little bit of super glue on there. I'll fix this right up. Wasn't expecting to fix this piece, but I figured, you know, it's broken. Might as well fix it before I put it in the truck. Just a little bit of super glue on there, and it'll make it look good as new. Now that we got a little bit of super glue on that little spot in there is just water. It's still a little wet, but that's basically fix the crack, and that crack actually sits this direction right here. So you're gonna see that little bit right there. That's about all you can do though. Sits like that in the car, and so you're only gonna see that little itty bitty piece of a crack. So it's not too bad. Go! Stick shift blazer! What's actually really cool about this one, stick shift blazer is I built it into a stick shift. You ain't gonna find another 4-door blazer with a manual transmission. Heck, you ain't gonna find another 4-door blazer with an NV3500 transmission. That's like not a thing. I built this thing. It's actually a stock center shifter. Actually, this one here originally had the cassette player in it, which is really cool. It's still got the 4x4 buttons, but I made it into a manual down here because I thought that'd be really cool. Like when you're shifting, you're like, oh yeah, you know, like shift it into 4-wheel drive. I thought it'd be kind of cool. So, honestly, I did that because I thought I'd get rid of all the vacuum lines, but you still have to have all the vacuum lines to make it operate anyway. So basically all I did was just make it different. I don't know, you still have to have all the vacuum lines anyway, so I basically put an extra step in there instead of making it all electronic, push the button 4-wheel drive. But it's still cool. Okay, so this piece comes up here. We're gonna see if we can very carefully pop this piece back in without breaking it. It looks as so. Ugh. Ugh. And then just pops down into place. I really don't like that at all. Oh dear, okay. Well, I did it. Not too bad. I do have that little crack right there, and there's another one right there. Those have been there. I didn't just do it. But for this being 20 years old and for the black that heats up really bad, that's not terrible. And this plate just gonna sit right here. Oh, I see what's going on. That screw's in the way, so we gotta pull that screw out. Oh, this has opposite holes. That's weird. Wonder if it's an aftermarket setup. Looks like it's stock, but I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to go get a 7mm, pull that out. And then I got these 2 new screws right here that we'll go put back in. Make it right. Okay, so I got this. Why I didn't just get the electric ratchet and make this a freaking 10-second job, I do not know. Well then, shoot. Still got twisted out by hand like that, so. Okay. All that right there. There we go. There. One screw there. We gotta go get a screwdriver. Ugh. Okay, we're back. We got a screwdriver, Phillips, to be exact. Okay, let's go ahead. Ugh. Someone just pulled in the driveway. Oh, it's Maddie's mom. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, we got a piece on there. Looks pretty good. Maddie and her mom are over there talking, so we're gonna go ahead, fire her up. We hear that? She's been a day or two, but she's excited to roll. Make sure she's in gear. Driving all over the grass to try and find a spot where I want to take pictures of it. Maddie is gonna kick my ass. Let's see. This looks like a good spot right here. So basically this is her. I gotta wait till the right time so I can pick the lighting, take some good pictures, but it's basically my stick shift Blazer in a nutshell today. She's looking pretty good. Gotta go and do a couple little more modifications to her before I get her up for sale. I gotta fix her under the hood light I installed in here because my duct tape my bobber didn't work. Actually, it shrunk. The tape shrunk. And I'm gonna do little things. I'm gonna clean up the engine bay and make it look good. Get some good pictures of her. But yeah, she's basically looking good. So, what do you guys think of her? Maybe I'm thinking about doing another video where I just kind of walk around the whole thing and show it off before it's completely gone out of my life. Just so I can remember it by, and then I can kind of show everybody watching my videos. Like, yeah, this is a stick shift Blazer that I built. Anyway, she's pretty good looking. Oh, remember to subscribe.